Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Haseeb Syed. I am student of BSc Honors Agriculture. Today topic is given by my teacher Dr. Tanveer Hussain from Department of Horticulture. Today topic is about methods of irrigation system, that how we apply water on our horticultural as well as agronomic crops. First of all, I would like to define the term irrigation. Irrigation is the artificially method by which water is applied directly to land or soil surface. It maintain and maximize the yield of agriculture crops, maintain the landscaping and revegetate the dry lands. There are four basic methods of irrigation, which is surface irrigation, subsurface irrigation, sprinkle irrigation, and last one is drip irrigation. Surface irrigation. Surface irrigation is the application of water directly to the surface of the entire field. This method is more suitable for furrows or border areas. There are three types of surface irrigation: basin irrigation, furrow irrigation, and border irrigation. First one is basin irrigation. Basin irrigation are usually constructed in flat areas. Most of suitable crops which are growing there are pasture, fodder, and cereal crops. There are two types of basin irrigation: direct method and indirect method. Border irrigation system is also suited on that type of soil which have moderately low to moderately high intake rates and also low durability. The next type of irrigation system is subsurface irrigation. In this method, the water is applied deep down in the root of crops. This method is useful and beneficial for that type of soil which have depth about 2 millimeter or more. The most suitable crops which are growing here are cash crops, which are pepper, tomato, potato, and sweet corn. You can also see here the pictures of subsurface irrigation. The next type of irrigation system are sprinkle irrigation. Sprinkle irrigation is the most efficient irrigation system. This system is similar to the rainfall by naturally way. Water is distributed through pipes and then spray on the fields. This is the another type of surface irrigation. In furrow irrigation, we constructed the small and parallel ditches by which water is carried to all the crops. Size and the shape of the furrow depend upon the type of crops which are growing here and also the type of soil. The most suitable crops which are growing here are sorghum, maize, cotton, and soybean. You can see here the furrow irrigation system. The last one type of surface irrigation is border irrigation. In border irrigation, the field or a land is divided into strips and regions. Border irrigation system is also suited to that type of soil which have moderately low to moderately high intake rates and low durability. The next type of irrigation system is the subsurface irrigation. In this method, the water is applied deep down in the roots of crops. This method is useful and beneficial for that type of soil which have depth about 2 millimeter or more. The most suitable crops which are growing here are cash crops like tomato, pepper, potato, and sweet corn. You can see the pictures of subsurface irrigation here. The next type of irrigation system is the sprinkle irrigation. Sprinkle irrigation is the most efficient irrigation system. This system is similar to the naturally falling of rainfall. Water is distributed through pipes and then spray on the fields. This method is suitable for raw fields and tree crops. You can see the pictures of sprinkle irrigation here. Advantages of sprinkle irrigation. As we know that this method is more efficient and less loss of water, saving of fertilizer, there is no soil erosion, better germination of a seed take place, and uniformly application of water on the fields. The last method of irrigation system is drip irrigation. This method is most latest method of irrigation system, and this is very common today. In this method, the water is supplied to the crops through drop by drops in pipes. This method increases the efficiency of water use and minimize the loss of water. This method is also suitable for raw trees and vine crops. You can see here the proper system of a drip irrigation, that pipe is laid down in the field, and by a dropping system the water is supplied to the crops. As we know that this is the most latest method of irrigation system, so it have different advantages as well. Less loss of water and increase the efficiency of water, provide better media for plant growth. It also save the energy and labor expenses. No soil erosion take place, and also improve the efficiency of fertilizer application.